Now here is the treasure. This is why you come to Hershey, or in this case Carlisle. 49 through 54 Chrysler Crown Imperial Osco Lambert disc brakes. A full set. Yes, these are disc brakes. There's 2 discs inside each unit. And the brake is actually, the disc is actually pushed against the pads, or in this case the outer rotor. Look it up. Osco, AUSCO Lambert disc brakes. Only here at Carlisle do you find anything funky like that. The asking price for a set of 4, $2,500. And it is what it is. But good luck at finding another set funky like that. Check out this pair of drums. 200 on the pair. I gotta ask Pete what he's asking on these things. They ain't cheap because you ain't finding them. Look at that set of Moon 14-inch, $60. This is great stuff. Early 41 Ford, 45. The bezels, I love it, just love it. 49 through 64 Olds, 303, 324, 371, or 391. Wow, the adapter plates, that is fantastic. Fantastic. That will adapt over to a 32 through 48 Ford transmission. I love it.
Yes, indeed.
Let's keep going here, shall we? Oh, check out that rear quarter. 175. That's for a 64 Impala. Wow. You're not going to find quarters like that. That's great. Look at the door skin. Beautiful. Again, 62, 63. Oh, gorgeous Impala. Nice. Set of 4. How much are they asking? Oh, I didn't even tell you how much they were asking. $225 on the skin and $175 for the quarter. Let's keep going. I love the signs. $100 for the O's Gold dealer. The Atlantic LP gas for $350. Stroman bread. That's $500. That's cool. Maverick grill, $250. Borla system, used, but hey, it's stainless. What do you want? Fox 3-inch. That's a 79 through 93. Asking $200 or best offer. Pretty cool. Just walking around is so much fun. You get so much really cool stuff. $250 for that Budweiser. That lights up. Nice. Look at this Sitco. Oh, is that lovely? That is so cool. $150. That is great. Absolutely great. Oh, check out the car carrier. You know, that's one of my favorites. $175. I'll tell you, I'd rather have the tow truck. That is cool. When you look under the table, you find all sorts of treasures. Check this out. Brand new model kits, $10 a piece. That is wonderful, just wonderful.